The arrival of the Sea Cloud and the Sea Cloud 2 in Valencia this Monday highlights the appeal of the city as a perfect location for all types of cruises. Both of these exclusive, unique ships combine the high standards of a modern cruise liner with the privileged atmosphere of a quintessential romantic boat. Customers who choose the company Sea Cloud Cruises are usually lovers of traditional sailing boats. They are looking for unique experiences on their travels, and they want to call at safe, premium ports which are located close to the places they are visiting and offer a broad range of tourist and cultural attractions.
Valencia es una ciudad muy interesante para los pasajeros, con mucha
Valencia
historia.
is an important destination for our guests. The city has a fantastic history and many options for sightseeing. The city's old quarter, the area around the market and the contemporary buildings are all very impressive. The passengers are delighted with what they have seen when they return from the day's excursions.
Y me parece que los pasajeros tendrán una excursión muy interesante y muy buena.
The Port of Valencia lives up to the expectations of passengers who have come from other premium quality destinations, thanks to its safe, highly convenient facilities, as well as the broad range of attractions on offer in the city. The coaches waiting at the quayside head downtown, where passengers can admire the city's architectural treasures, do some shopping, and enjoy the local cuisine, which is highly valued by these German travellers. Others prefer to explore the city on their own, taking a stroll around the City of Arts and Sciences, or going for a spring bike ride along the gardens created in the former Turia riverbed.